Hey there, all you middlemen, throw away your fancy clothes. Why are you out there sitting on that fan? Just get off your ass and come down here. 'Cause rock and roll, it ain't no riddle, man. To me it makes good sense. Oh, good sense, Jethro. Well, heavy decibels are playing on a my guitar. We got vibrations coming up from the floor. We're just listening to the rock that's giving too much noise. Are you deaf? You wanna hear some more? Just talk about the future. Forget about the past. It'll always be with us. It ain't never gonna die. It's never gonna die. Rock and roll, it ain't no noise pollution. Rock and roll, it'll never die. Rock and roll, it ain't no noise pollution. Rock and roll, and we'll survive. I took a look inside your bedroom door. You look so good lying on your bed. What if I asked you if you wanted any rhythm and love? You said you wanna rock and roll instead. Let's talk about the future. Forget about the past. It'll always be with us. It ain't ever gonna die. It's never gonna die. Rock and roll, it ain't no noise pollution. Rock and roll, it'll never die. Rock and roll, it ain't no noise pollution. Rock and roll, it'll never die. Never die. Rock and roll, it ain't no noise pollution. Rock and roll will never die. Rock and roll, it ain't no noise pollution. Rock and roll, and we'll survive. Rock and roll, it ain't no noise pollution. Rock and roll will never die. Rock and roll, it ain't no noise pollution. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. It's just a rock and roll.